Hello, hi, welcome back or welcome if you're new here to my channels. I'm Jay and I mostly do doll review or dolly dress up, but not today. Today I have a new project for my house, new decor project. So without further ado, this is the item for my decor. This is MDF board, just arrived today. So what I'm going to do with this sheep leg. You guys tahu kan sheep leg. So I akan buat sheep leg, which is my new project for my kitchen, which is over there. My wet kitchen. So I akan buat sheep labs dekat my wet kitchen lah. Well, I'm going to do vertical sheep labs, not the traditional horizontal sheep lab. I'm going to show you the past project, which is in my guest room. So ini sheep lab yang horizontal. Okay, this one also. So now I'm going to do a vertical, which is menegak macam ni. So let's go to the space that I'm going to do my new project. Sebelum kita masuk kepada wet kitchen, I excuse for the messiness. So biasalah kan, wet kitchen macam ni lah. So wet kitchen I ini adalah wet kitchen I, which is not so great but still functional for me at least. Tapi tak cantik sangat lah, tak lawa sangat lah. This one is from IKEA. The shelf also from IKEA, and this is sticker, just peel and stick backsplash, which is I'm going to take it out, which is sad. And this is the space I'm going to do the vertical sheep legs. So I akan buat sheep legs kat sini lah. But now the problem is how I'm going to waterproofing this side. I'm going to think how. Maybe I'm going to spray clear spray for the board, maybe. I don't know, tapi I'm going to do waterproofing over here because if you can see, there is things under here. Then I akan buat vertical, as I said, sheep leg over here. This is my first project lah. And then I'm going to move on over here also in the future, and this side as well. So basically I'm going to do all the sheep leg here in the wet kitchen. So this washing machine is gonna go, and this is soon you know, this is very old, 10 years plus freezer. Also I'm going to, you know, replace for the new one, but that's the future project. But now I'm going to focus in this space because as I said, I'm going to do sheep labs over here. So let's do it. So I have all the tool right here, the most important tool, which is roller, paintbrush, and the silicone to seal everything, all the gaps, and this X-bond to stick all the sheep labs to the wall. And I'm going to try to waterproofing with this clear coat spray, and last but not least, paint. So as you can see here, I have this peel and stick sticker or tiles. I'm going to try to remove all this, and hopefully it's easy for me to remove. Let's try this one. Oh my god, thanks god, it's really easy to peel off. So I'm going to remove all these tiles and the shelf. now I'm finished peel off. Now the problem is I have to think how I can remove this silicone. Now using this X bond and put the X bond on the MDF and stick to the wall. Now you can see the progress. Yes, it took me a while, but this is before and after. And I do use the popsicle stick. I have two. I cut in half, so I use this popsicle as a spacer so that the gap is the same. So I'm going to finishing with the one coat of sealer, and I'm going to paint and waterproofing. So wish me luck. And don't forget, the most important step is cold. This is after and this is before. Just use your finger, run through the gaps. And that's it. Alright. I'm going to clean it and it's finished. Now I currently at this stage I already caulked over there on the top there. And tomorrow I'm going to finish the gap down here, but I don't really care because when I put a washing machine or freezer here, all the imperfections we can't see. And tomorrow I'm going to paint, and I'm thinking of doing all the way up because I have shelf here, by the way, or I'm going to stop right there. I don't know yet. Let's see tomorrow. And now I'm finished putting one coat of sealer, so it's ready to paint. Yes, it's look hideous right now. And after I'm finished put the white paints on it, it's turned out good, hopefully. Okay, this is the end update after one coat of paint. So I'm going to do maybe 2 or 3 couple more layer. So see you in a bit. So guys, the paint has been painted. So this is the result. I think I don't need more coat. I think this is more than opaque. I like the result. So if you look closer, if you can see in between the gap, there is something in it. That is because the wall behind it is not smooth. So take note. So I'm going to leave you there. I think that is okay. So I think that's it for now. I'm going to change the tabs to black, and in the future I'm going to change the things to matte black as well. So the future projects, I'm going to put here under here washer that I've already ordered, so it's coming next Friday. And I'm going to put a shelf for the soap, for the soap, folding clothes, towel. And up here I'm going to put the rail for the kitchen utensil. So that's it for today's update. This is the 3rd day, right? So guys, I already finished the paint, if you can see, and I put the bar all the way up. And if you can see here, I also rewire all the lights and do the cut. So it looks so tidy. So if you can see here, this washing machine just temporary because I'm going to replace for the new one. And if you can see over here, I still have a wire here. I'm going to, make it tidy, but I just let it be for now because, as I say, I'm going to do this wall one day. And the plug also, after I finish this wall, I'm going to mount over here. So for now, let it be. So this is the wall, sheet flat wall, and I'm going to update next week. And now guys, it's a week later and my washer dryer just arrived today. So I have more things to do. I'm going to put, as I say, I'm going to put rail for kitchen utensil here, and maybe a shelf up here and down here. And I'm going to finish this wall as well, and this wall right here, and also this messy wall. So I can't wait to use this smart washer and dryer. And stay tuned for another project. Okay guys, an update. My washer dryer has arrived yesterday, so I already set up and used this dryer for the first time today. And I think I'm going to wrap this decor or makeover for this laundry and wet kitchen. And this is going part 1 because siapa yang nak tengok video yang panjang-panjang kan. So this is 12-15 minutes video already. So I'm going to stop right here for the part 1. If you want to see the part 2, which is I'm going to decorate this part, and I'm going to refinish this wall and the wall behind me. So stay tuned for the next video. Right? Okay, bye for now. See you in part 2.